Okay, it's been a rough night, uh, not say day or time. So yeah, it's basically kind of a little rough, and I wanted to explain why I can't cut it, so I had to pay. Yeah, so recently, um, I really love the Microsoft pairs, and firstly, I want to explain what the story is, and before I go PA, where I enter, not enter. So the story is like the buyer is right here is the last buyer that take it down from when the market closed, and this all the price that I consider is very important too, because with this giant move, I say what is this with my open eyes, and how I explain it, and during the time, which is the story, yeah, I really took a trade that is not a good price that I wanted, and definitely I went to the daily and checked. Like, I'm still learning that probability, that what is what I've been learning and doing. Um, yeah, just be honestly that I thought this is gonna be on from the daily already, from this call it the test phase, because why? Because I go into the monthly, and the monthly gave us a PNS right here to the buy side, the P, and then also S, and try to take it as an anticipation area to in it, and then I try go to the weekly, and the weekly gave us a, actually, boom boom. Okay, cool. So yeah, so on the weekly, it gave us, so in the P. So I'm looking at the P's right here. Um, that was a little confusing how I read it, but I was reading this whole part right here from a seller's perspective, that the selling is here and the P is over here. A and was, how do you say this, to my analysis of the story. So I was all over the place because I placed this line right here. Okay, cool. And then I placed this one. It got killed, and it got killed from here. It's okay. It's from the weekly, and I'm trying to understand who is also the owner. But now I'm just focusing on this area of, okay, so the PNS, and I broke out, and from here I'm looking for a sell side from here, because I also had to look at the perspective of that area and the sell side, and gave a volume, and the sell came down, which is it came down, but I still have a question for myself, like, well, how come how come the sales didn't go all the way down, like if I'm reading of their area, and knowing that why they didn't go down, it just gave it so much legs that one uh it broke out. So yeah, you can see there's two, and then three, and then we're in the four side. That was my story of the three, and I was like, okay, it didn't go down, and yeah, I think even saying it, I wanted to take it back up, but then when I went down to the daily, I was pulling a a frame for myself that I also on practicing. This is on demo, so, and I was just like, oh, it could be this could be on of this area, because knowing this is gonna be the S area, so I also count as the if I'm going for the buy, I also count this as P and then also S. And it's funny. It was funny because I don't see any proof coming on the daily that's showing from here. But when you can tell, so when I go to a slow a low time frame and show a very big giant probe over here, and on the daily it doesn't seem to see like there's no probe. So that was a very interesting area that I'm trying to process it too, and at the same time really to fail in it. And luckily, I really didn't really put oversize and put it in it. So from there, I just rated, okay, here's a pro, and I'm ready, wanted to take it down. So that's how I wanted, why I wanted to take it down, and then once it hit the trap area, and I was pulling very carefully in the 1 hour. Okay, where we go? In 1 hour, and yeah, then I went down here. So yeah, that's basically the story is that I wanted to go back down, was here some sort struggle and get back down from there. Yeah, that's basically the story is for now. That's why I wanna go for a sell.